Tushar Mehta given a third 3-year term as the Solicitor General of India. Mahoba is renowned for its pyroflight stonecraft. Bihar surpassed Tamil Nadu in terms of microlending borrowings as of March 2023. 40% is India's position in terms of sourcing energy from non-fossil fuel sources. $662 billion was the total FDI inflow to developing countries in 2022. 5% per annum is the interest rate for loans provided under the Swarnima scheme. Iran recently became a full member of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. SAF Championship 2023 final took place at Bengaluru. 126th is India's ranking on the Global Peace Index in 2023. Lieutenant General M.U. Nair is appointed as the National Cybersecurity Coordinator, NCSC. Department of Industry Promotion and Internal Trade is responsible for the Geographical Indication Registry. Nunwan Pahalgam and Baltal are two routes are available for the Amarnath Yatra 2023. Tunguska event is known for largest recorded asteroid impact. 6.5% is the new interest rate for a 5-year recurring deposit, RD. 40% is the maximum percentage of the eligible balance that an account holder can withdraw during the Mahila Samman Savings Certificate. 7 lakh rupees is the revised threshold for triggering tax collected at source, TCS, on remittances. 100th rank to Indian men's national football team in FIFA's latest world rankings. Argentina is ranked first in FIFA's latest world rankings. 1.61 lakh crore was the gross goods and services tax, GST, collection in June 2023. $624.7 billion was the total external debt of India at the end of March 2023. 11.8% was the central government's fiscal deficit at the end of May 2023. Chandrayaan-3 will be launched at Sriharikota, India. Central Electricity Regulatory Commission, CERC, will serve as the regulatory body for all trading activities within India's carbon market. Andhra Pradesh is home to the Sai Hira Global Convention Centre. Indian men's football team secure the SAFF Championship 2023 title by a penalty shootout against Kuwait. India's first police drone unit launched at Chennai. Brajendra Navneet granted an extension as ambassador and permanent representative of India to the World Trade Organization, WTO. US dollar-denominated debt constituted the largest component of India's external debt. 16,700 megawatts pressurized heavy water reactors, PHWRs, does the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, NPCIL, plans to build. Ministry of Finance announced a reduction in the Goods and Services Tax, GST, for electronic items. Debt sustainability. States' perspective was the theme of the 33rd Conference of State Finance Secretaries. K. Rajaraman appointed as the new chairman of the International Financial Services Centres Authority, IFSCA. NABARD, 42 Years of Rural Transformation, was the theme of the webinar organized by NABARD on its 42nd Foundation Day. UPI 123 Pay is a NIVR-based UPI. 11 medals did India secure in the 2023 World Archery Youth Championships. Forest Conservation Act, 1980 is proposed to be amended by the Forest Conservation Amendment Bill, 2023. Recent amendment made to NABARD's authorized capital increased from 5,000 crore rupees to 30,000 crore rupees. South Korea emerged as the top-ranked nation at the 2023 World Archery Youth Championships. 28% GST rate for casinos, horse racing, and online gaming. Vikram Devdutt is the Director General of the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA. 384,000 kilometers long is the journey of the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft to the Moon. Niti Aayog introduced the TCRM matrix framework. 25th anniversary of the India-France strategic partnership is being marked during PM Modi's visit. July 17 is the World Day for International Justice. France is the source of the Rafale marine aircraft. €1 billion loan support European Investment Bank, EIB, will provide for India's national green hydrogen mission. Safran aircraft manufacturer will provide fighter jet engines to India from France. Sarbanand Sonowal inaugurated the Sagar Sampark DGNSS. -4.12% is the wholesale price index, WPI, for June 2023. IIT Delhi is set to establish a campus in Abu Dhabi, UAE. 55,000 tons annual reduction in CO2 emissions is expected on implementing Eastern Cross Taxiway, 8, and the 4th runway at Delhi Airport. 1,360 kilometers is the total distance of the India-Myanmar-Thailand trilateral highway. 7 p.m. Mitra parks are planned to be established across India.